At the edge of the world of Elindra, where the seasons stand still, stands a fortress that has swallowed its own name, and the secrets of its own blood. Traces of the past do not die, only sleep in the frozen, waiting for descendants to open old wounds. Valastra, sister, teacher, and guardian of the seasons, before she became a shadow of the light that once raised me. The guardian spirit of time only conveyed one message: do not open that door, unless you are ready to lose everything. Every choice is a season, and the wrong season can freeze the world forever. I never left you, Seraphina. I sacrificed myself so that you wouldn't burn that way. I did. Sometimes, a light isn't meant to last, only to shine just long enough to guide one soul home. Sometimes, a light isn't meant to last, only to shine just long enough to guide one soul to the home.